Right, so here we go for a ride on Navigator. Navigator here at Flamingo Land was actually the first ride of its kind. It was the first ever world's Mega Disk-O. Created by Zamperla, of course, and now we know these as pretty much a staple at most theme parks. So, yeah, taking a ride on the original Mega Disk-O. Let's go for it. Picking some speed up now. And now we wait for it to stop. Sadly, it looks like they decided to remove the brakes from this ride, so should be there. Yeah, takes a while to stop, but it is a good, fun little ride. And there you go, guys. You ride there on the first ever Mega Disk-O.